Today, I'm going to show you something that you will love. It's how to get free ringtones without syncing your iPhone to iTunes or anything. So what you want to do is, I downloaded this app called iDownloads Plus. You want that, and by the way, you have to have a jailbroken iPhone for this. So then, like, once you do that, you want to, I use mp3skull.com. I recommend that. Just to download the song or whatever. Download any song you want. Let's see. I have a couple songs and albums already. So let's say if I want maybe this as a ringtone. What you want to do is, once you click on the song, it'll say ringtone up in the corner. You want to make that. It has to be, the longest it could be is 30 seconds. Not 30.1, 30.2. It has to be exactly, hold on, 30. So then you can move it to whatever part of the song you want. Whatever, so then you want to press that save button right there. It says creating ringtone. Wait for that to create. Alright, press OK. Done. Go all the way back to the home home part of the files. Is that it? Hold on. I'm pretty sure. Hold on, let me just check something, because I just put the number of the song on there from the album. Let me check if that's what it is. Alright, yeah, that's what it is. So once you do that, if I'm just gonna rename this real quick. Name it there you go. Alright. Click done. Now you want to go into, you want to have iFile installed. You can just find that off Cydia. So let's go into iFile. You want to go into var mobile applications, and you want to find the app that iDownloads Plus, and you want to go into documents and find your ringtone. See this sit right here. And click edit up in the right hand corner. Click on your ringtone. Click this little button right here. Cut or copy, whatever you want to do. Go all the way back to var, and instead of mobile, you want to go on stash, library, and it'll say ringtones. Click on that, and it'll show you all your ringtones. You want to click edit and paste. But before I paste it, I want to show you that this is not in my ringtones. Sounds. Let's go down. It was called Unbelievable. See, there's nothing in you that's there. So I'll show you now. Go back into iFile. And you want to click that. Paste. and it's there. Now go back in. And it's there. So that is how you get free ringtones. But if you click on it to preview it and it doesn't work, like in the ringtone section right here, it's because it's over 30 seconds long. The longest you could have it is 30 seconds. So, I mean, you could have it from 1 to 30 seconds, whatever. Like this one right here that I have is only like 15 seconds.
Well, I'm from the bird. Everything I drop recorded by a Big John.
Whatever. So, then it'll set as your ringtone. You can use it for your alarm clock too, obviously. Whatever. I like it, and maybe if you wanted to get like little tones or whatever for texting, you could probably do that too. Well, you can do that too. Just like, I don't know. So, that's how you get free ringtones. I hope you enjoyed the video. And by the way, I found this out myself. I did not steal it from anybody, so I'll be making more videos later. See you guys.